Over the past years, OnePlus users have faced multiple problematic issues like the chargers and phones exploding, and a recent one being the green line issue that appeared on many OnePlus devices. Apparently, flagship OnePlus smartphones are facing a new issue that has already killed a couple of these devices. The new problem the brand is facing is dead motherboards on their older flagships like the OnePlus 10 Pro and the OnePlus 9 Pro. Numerous users have reported that their phones have suddenly become unresponsive, leaving them with black screens and no power. Two recent reports highlight the severity of this problem. Recently, a OnePlus user described how their OnePlus 10 Pro, after initially experiencing lag and heating issues, completely shut down. Despite trying various troubleshooting methods, such as hard resets, battery cycles, and holding power buttons, the phone remained unresponsive. A visit to the service center revealed a dead motherboard, resulting in a significant repair cost. The user expressed their disappointment and loss of faith in the brand, particularly given their long history as a loyal OnePlus customer. Another OnePlus 10 Pro 5 user reported similar issues after downloading a software update. The phone froze, became unresponsive, and eventually stopped charging. The service center diagnosed a dead motherboard and quoted a hefty repair fee of approximately 42,000 rupees. The user expressed their frustration and disappointment, noting that they had encouraged several friends to purchase OnePlus devices based on their positive experiences. These cases are not isolated. Several users have shared similar experiences online, raising concerns about potential hardware issues. While OnePlus has not yet addressed the problem publicly, the growing number of reports has led to questions about the company's quality control and customer support. The high repair costs associated with motherboard replacements have added to user dissatisfaction. Many are hoping that OnePlus will investigate the issue and offer solutions, such as free repairs, extended warranties, or software updates. Addressing the problem promptly could help maintain the brand's reputation and customer trust.